Hello, welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can perform a simple MAC address check using a MAC address and the email number of your HONOR X8c. So to get your email number, you just have to dial this number right here in your phone app, and this is the quickest way to access your email number. And now go to the imei.info website and type in your email number right here, press check email and scroll down, and here you'll find a MAC address check. And now type in your email and your MAC address of your phone, which is the physical address of the internet card. You can find it in the about phone section of your settings. And that's pretty much it. And here you'll also find the 10 random MAC addresses for the same model that can be used. So if you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.